while it can seem horrible, 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 like, oh, that is one sad looking heart. Oh. We're definitely gonna have to try this again. I don't think this is gonna work. Hello everybody, welcome to the ChriMel Show. I'm Melissa.
Hi, I'm Chris.
And today we're going to be making strawberry shortcake.
Oh.
I'm going to be making strawberry shortcake. Although...
I love, but you know, I don't know if I love strawberry shortcake.
I've never made it.
No, it's been a long time since I've had it. And it's usually like you get the things at the store that the cake's already made. You know what I mean? That's what I'm used to. But you're going to go super fancy?
Well, I'm going to try a recipe of Ina Garten's, but I'm not going to do it exactly like hers because, for one, there's just the two of us. Also, we're doing it dairy-free.
Oh,
so that adds another twist. We're keeping the sugar, though.
Okay. All right.
All right, so here goes nothing. We're going to give it a try.
Do you want me, should I get out of your way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get out of your way.
Okay, first things first, I'm going to make sure that I have all of the ingredients that I'd like to have. We have sugar. Now this portion of sugar is going with the strawberries right here. It's about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, not an exact measurement. We will be doing a tablespoon of Grand Marnier. I have diced up some butter, it's 6 tablespoons. I have a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Now this of course is a dairy-free heavy cream. It's a coconut milk. 1 cup of flour. I prefer to use unbleached. Lightly beaten 1 egg for the cakes, and then we're gonna do an egg wash, so I'll be lightly beating another with a bit of water. The recipe calls for a pint of strawberries. Here is a pint, so you can see a pint. I already cut them up though.
Yes.
And then I have a tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and another tablespoon of sugar that's gonna go into the mix. You'll see how it all works here in just a second. All right, here we go. We are going to sift our flour and our baking powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in there. And our salt all together. Ooh, I also need to sift in the sugar. Oh, my Lanta.
Please note, Mylanta is a brand name of an over-the-counter drug used to treat heartburn and upset stomach. Mylanta belongs to a group of drugs known as antacids, which neutralize stomach acid. The medication contains a combination of aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Melissa uses the term, oh, Mylanta, to express subtle astonishment. This ChriMel Show and anyone associated with the aforementioned channel does not use Mylanta in any recipes or cooking presentations.
All right, and here's the sugar we needed to add in. Set that right there. And now I'm just sifting those ingredients in. I used to be so bad about doing things like this. I never did, and then I started to, thanks to Ina. And now I'm a big believer in sifting. Plus it's just so magical. They're so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That's just pretty. All right, I've sifted as much as we'll sift. And I'm going to clear these off and make room for our next step. Okay.
No,
Don't
do it, lady.
The diced 6 tablespoons worth of butter.
No.
Into my stand mixer here. I've had this KitchenAid mixer forever. And it looks like it. And now I'm supposed to kind of let it get a little bit more pea-side. But I think my butter got a little bit warm. Stop mixing the butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in some flour mixture here. And it seems like with most recipes, it's a good idea to not do too much at a time. And I'll go ahead and add the rest of my flour. Combine the egg and the heavy cream here, and then I'm going to add that to the mix here, and it'll be time to blend some more. Okay, I don't know here, we're gonna see what happens next, because next up I'm supposed to turn this out onto a floured surface, and I'm supposed to use a floured rolling pin on it, but it seems kind of like it might be a challenge to work with. I am creating a floured work surface to roll the dough out onto. And I have to tell you, I am so nervous about this dough. I don't know if it's gonna work. Here's my heart-shaped cookie cutter. I've got to get some flour on that, so I want to do that first before I turn it all out. It is not easy being a beginner. I don't know if everybody knows that. Okay, flouring my... Let's see, is it gonna... Oh yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking was gonna happen. Okay, so it's supposed to... You know what? I know what happened. My butter was too melty because I'm supposed to still be able to see pieces of butter in this. Okay, so here it is. Not only was the butter too soft, after we finished rolling, I reread the recipe and realized I made a classic mistake. I scanned. I didn't read it. I scanned it. You can't scan a recipe. Who in the hell am I thinking I am? The flour and baking powder and all of that should have been in the mixer. Then I should have added my butter and then mixed it up until it was pea-sized. I can't even tell you how many times I have cut butter into flour to make scones or similar recipes. I should have known, but no, I got cocky. Total mistake. My apologies. All right, so we're gonna work with this. Sorry, I had flour like fly up to the side. I am gonna work with this as best I can. This is gonna be hard. All right, I get a little flour. I don't know if this is gonna work, honey. You know, one thing that I'm definitely learning is always pay attention to all of the instructions, because Ina very clearly said that I should still be able to see chunks of butter, and so my butter wasn't cold enough. I let it get too melty while we were setting up. But I'm still gonna try to cut out shapes, and I'm gonna try to bake it.
I don't know if I should tell you guys this, but I have to. Right at this spot, everything went to. You want to know what happened? I was supposed to have multiple batteries. I didn't. I just had one battery. We got new equipment. Supposed to have batteries, lots of batteries on hand. Apparently this new equipment needs super powerful batteries, needs tons of batteries. And I screwed up. I didn't have enough batteries. So all the new equipment and the recording, the camera, useless. We had to go to a phone, the rest of this video, it's recorded on an iPhone, the rest of the video. It's like the curse of Strawberry Shortcake is what it's like.
Okay, let's see if I can salvage this. I cannot believe how badly I've messed this up. But you know, these things happen, and sometimes, while it can seem horrible, like, oh, that is one sad looking heart. Oh.
There's something wrong with this.
We're definitely gonna have to try this again. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, let's see. How to make a mess in the kitchen. Oh my gosh. You know, there are people who think I'm like really good at this stuff.
Just glob it down. Just make a plop.
All right, this is officially not gonna work. These might still taste good.
Yeah.
How about this? Okay, so let me crack this egg. Do try to ignore this disaster right here. I totally effed up on this. And then I was trying to do really cute heart shape. These are not a cute heart shape. I am going to try to salvage it though. I'm gonna do a little quick egg wash, put it on top of there, pop it in the oven for 15 minutes and see what in the heck comes out. Maybe I'm a genius. It's like once it all goes to hell, you might as well just embrace it, right? I am gonna quick use a fork to whisk this baby up for my egg wash. So water, egg, wash. I'm gonna have to clean this counter anyway. Heck with it. Do you notice like how nicely my parchment paper is cut onto my pan? It's amazing. And this is what happens with your first time making something and you don't read the directions all the way. Well, oh hey, that kind of smooths it out a little bit. Like, be a shade, some kind of shade. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes. Okay, so the last part kind of was a big struggle. This part, I'm not gonna mess up. This is pretty easy. I have strawberries. I'm dumping the sugar into the strawberries. Voila, pre-measured. And then it's 1 tablespoon of Grand Marnier. So no matter what, even if the rest is horrible, this part is gonna be yummy. So now that I have those these 3 ingredients combined, I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit. Okay, Chris, come on, make your strawberry shortcake.
Is there a reason there's 2 spoons? Just so I
Yeah,
can
because
double,
it's easier to
double the
figure
whipped
out.
cream?
Yeah, you can just
Okay.
do that.
There we go.
You ready?
Oh, that looks good. Okay,
All
here
right, I
we
wanna
go.
see what you think.
This is the official test. I'm gonna get both shortcake, whipped cream, Cool Whip, and strawberry together. That's some good stuff. Yeah, the cake isn't super sweet.
No, it's not supposed to be.
It's short on sweetness.
Ha ha ha. Unlike me.
So, do you think that people at home should make this
Yes,
and give it a try?
yes, and they should follow the actual instructions.
Is it a
Oh, it's still double thumbs up,
double
yeah.
thumbs up, yeah?
Double
Right.
thumbs up, yeah.
Leisure testing complete. Leisure testing complete. Fist bump for safety.
Hey, thanks so much for watching the ChriMel Show. Go ahead and hit the like button, then make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell so you get our latest notifications.